setting. No need to hide that suck your fears that lies inside. Just let it out and start to thrive. The time has come to feel alive. Walk with me towards unseen. A life you live is just a dream. This hate you feel is what I need. Now let me mold you to my theme. She's just an undercover demon lover. Feel the thunder from above. Up in the sky the moon turns red, and now my devil pride has shown up. The smoke it clouds and fills our heads. Tensions build as words are said. Just take a chance and hold my hand and follow me. She's just an undercover demon lover. Undercover demon lover. Undercover demon lover. In her eyes I see she's just an undercover demon lover. Undercover demon lover. Undercover demon lover. In her eyes I see just
Come with me to hell. Let me get inside, feel the vibes of a pimp up in your mind. I see the thoughts of evil. You don't have to try to hide the beast. Just let it out. Step into my world, show you what I'm all about. Don't fear the mind, I feel your pain. The stress, it leaves your body when I speak. Baby, come and take a walk through the valley of the dead, so nobody ever knows. Just lay your problems on my chest and let this demon take a hold. Eating at your flesh, I'm just loving how it tastes. See the pleasure in the rise, let me take